How's it going? Elias here from Your House Fitness, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how to do a dumbbell snatch. Now this is a great power exercise for that explosiveness for any athlete out there looking to get a good explosive power, especially for the shoulders, especially for the full body. How you perform this is we want to get a good heavy weight. These ones you could go probably a little bit heavier than normal, but with these you want to be very gentle, as well as you want to also make sure that you warm up beforehand. So how we want to perform this is we want to hold the weight, bend the knees so slightly, as if we're picking it straight off of the ground, and you can already get a little bit of a movement in, and we're going from here all the way up and pushing upwards. Now this movement, when done fast, looks a little bit more fluent. We could come up. You could add a press into it where we're holding it here, then pushing up. This movement, as it gets heavier, you might notice that it just gets a little bit harder here and then pushing up. But a good snatch would be straight up, coming down, straight up and back down. So off to the side, we want to come down, bend with the knees, arch the back a little bit, and then we're coming up and back down. Up and back down. Some important notes to take when doing this movement: we definitely don't want to be looking at the weight or doing any rotation with the neck of any sort. That might just injure the necks as well, so we don't want to be doing any movement so much. We want to keep the head neutral and just lift straight up. So hopefully you enjoyed this and you do these movements in your programming.